Cricket for Beginners, your gateway to the game. Welcome to cricket's captivating world. Dive into this exciting journey where you'll learn the basics of a game that unites millions globally. From exhilarating matches to its deep history, cricket offers endless excitement and opportunity for connection. Ready to step onto the field for the first time? Let's start with the essentials. Cricket is played between two teams, each with 11 players. The game combines batting, bowling, and fielding. Your mission? Score more runs than your opponent. With practice, you'll soon grasp the skills needed to conquer the pitch. Equip yourself with the right gear: a sturdy bat, protective pads, gloves, and a helmet. Each piece is vital for performance and safety. As you train, you'll discover the importance of choosing equipment that matches your style and ensures you feel secure when playing. Batting and bowling are cricket's core skills. As a batsman, hone your hand-eye coordination for timing the perfect shot. As a bowler, learn precision and variations to outsmart the batsman. Combining theory with practice is the key to mastering these essential techniques. Now that you've got the basics, it's time for action. Join a sports camp to immerse yourself in a supportive environment. There, seasoned players and coaches will guide you, refining your skills and boosting your confidence. The journey to becoming a cricketer begins here. Ready to bring your learning to life? Dive into the dynamic cricket community. Attend a sports camp where you'll sharpen your skills and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Embark on your cricket adventure today. New friends and unforgettable experiences await as you thrive in this vibrant sport.